guess what? I came outside just to see, like, you know, in the morning I can take some footage, like, you know, for the vlogging. And while doing that, I just locked myself out outside the room. And I can't open it now. Ah.
Hi, Nirav.
He's filming me. Yay.
Saved your life.
He saved my life. So there's a slight change in the plan right now because last night we couldn't sleep properly before the ride. You know, we slept only for 1 hour, I guess. Yeah.
Yeah.
So we slept only for 1 hour, and then because we had to pack everything and all, and that's the reason we couldn't sleep. So when we reached the hotel, we were really tired, and that's the reason we slept. And then by the time it was evening, so we had planned to go to Statue of Unity by 3 o'clock, but by the time we woke up, it was already 6:30. So that's the reason we didn't have anything to do right now. So we went around, like, you know, Sahal went around the hotel. He found few stuff to do in the morning, and me on the other hand, I thought, like, let's do something productive. So I just went to Surat in the market in the city and did some reaction video, like, you know, just I just, you know, got Benelli Ixil with he's clicking some pictures. So yeah, so I just took my Benelli out in the market, and, you know, the Ixil exhaust was really loud, so I got amazing reaction from people. They were giving, like, you know, they were just turning their heads around, see the bike and all. That was really amazing. So I filmed that, or I'll be definitely putting that as well in the vlog, or maybe as a separate video. I don't know yet. So अरे रुको ना यार, एक तो वो करने में, शॉट लेने में टाइम जाता है.
I just wanted to put that vlog. मैं इसलिए एक्स्ट्रा फोटो का तब मेरा टाइम चाहिए.
There's a slight change in the plan, as we were supposed to go to the Statue of Unity today, but due to some issues, like, you know, we couldn't sleep last night because we had to pack everything, we had to clean our bikes, and that's the reason we slept only for 1 hour. Sahal, we slept only for 1 hour. अरे यार रुकना.
ये मस्त आया यार, रुकने का टाइप करता हूँ.
रुकना साले.
अब चुप बैठेगा मैं, अब तुझे जो करना है, ठीक है. मोटो व्लॉगर रहता ना.
मेरा इधर से चालू है.
मेरा तो मतलब मोटो व्लॉगर होता है.
हाँ, MOTO
VLOGG.
VLOGG. Sorry, what?
No, I was asking intercity road drive.
Sorry?
You are doing intercity video.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's why I was asking because my friend was also interested. So he was asking, camera पे camera लगा हुआ है helmet पे. That's why I asked.
It's for the YouTube.
Okay. Which vlog?
Sorry?
What is your name of the?
Daily Nirav vlogs. DNV.
Daily Nirav.
vlogs.
It was nice meeting you, bro.
Is it okay if I put you in the vlog?
Yeah. It's obviously fine.
What's your name?
Dipesh.
Dipesh, and yours? Bhavesh. Okay. Nice to meet you, mate.
Nice meeting you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
See you.
Right now, we don't have anything to do, so we're gonna eat food. Maybe we might go down for a walk or something, and then we gonna wake up in the morning, and then maybe we are not sure about it, but hopefully we'll be going to Statue of Unity. Yeah, swimming and Statue of Unity again after that, in case if we go. Not sure yet. So we'll be going to Statue of Unity in the morning. Till then, bye bye and good night, and catch you in the morning.